You might have eaten dry green peas number of times, but try this trick with the green peas. It will take this recipe to the next level. So let's begin. In a pressure cooker, add oil. Let's oil heats up. Then add into it 3 medium-sized onion. Saute it well until it turns into a nice light golden color. Then add 2 medium-sized tomato into it and let tomato be softened. Then add 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and saute it for about half minute so that the raw smells of it will goes away. Then add some powdered masala into it, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Then add few coriander leaves and saute all these things well. If you want, you could add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder or you could skip it. You will note that I am not adding salt into it at this stage because if you will add salt while cooking dry green peas, so its outer skin will get harder and it will take a long time to cook. So whenever you will cook any pulses, like if you are cooking white peas or black chana or white chana, add salt later after cooking. Then add 1 cup of dry green peas which I have soaked it overnight. Stir it, then add 3 cups of water. If you are taking 1 cup dry green peas, so it requires 3 or 3.5 cup of water to get it cooked nicely. Now cover the lid and cook on low to medium flame for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid and add salt as per your taste. At the end, in a pan, add oil. Let oil heats up nicely like super hot. Then add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder to it and give it a nice tadka to it. Don't forget to do this step. This step will take this recipe to the next level. And now you can do the plating. If you like this recipe, so please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.